Hello, this is Jason, taking a late night walk, 10:52, 1 hour and 8 minutes until the new year. I went to 2 different New Year's parties. I'll flip you around, show you some of the common sights of Bangkok, like this McDonald's here. Very Thai, traditional. I have the super night mode on my camera. It's actually pretty dark out, but the camera makes it looks like it's right in the middle of the day. And I've had some drinkies. I'm walking from Ekkamai, and I took a little moto taxi. You might have already seen that video. That was from the pool party over to second party I went to, which was at Iron Balls. There's over 100 people there. It was cool. There was a lot of familiar faces. I met a few new people. And I like meeting people, but I was there for like 3 hours, and I was at the other place for like 3 hours, so I was kind of social stimulation done. I'm pretty introverted, so 6 hours of social interaction and I'm pretty spent, and I need some time alone, wandering the streets of 10 million people alone. It's okay to be surrounded by people, but actually to have to be expected to interact with them is an additional level of stress. And then after getting past the introduction phase of what's your name, where are you from, how long you been here, what do you do for work, it's like the same kind of initial opening questions. You talk to like 20 different people and have the same conversation. It's not that fulfilling. But I have gone beyond that with some people and actually went out, hung out with some people outside of meetups. Yesterday, Rishi from Hong Kong, went out with him, went to a bar, played some pool, and he was a cool guy, about the same age as me, a couple years younger. Been living here for a couple years. So I could definitely build up a base of friends, and going to those meetups is a cool place to meet people, but they just get to be overwhelming too. Overwhelming and very superficial. Although there were some pretty funny stories from some people I met. Met a girl from Indonesia, but she lives in Kuwait and is a stewardess or a flight crew, as she said. She was a flight crew for Kuwait Airlines, and she said that she sometimes has people who've like never been on an airplane, and they're taking like Holy Land trips to Mecca or something, and you know, they're probably from small villages that don't have modern technology. One of the stories, she says, people will like get up and She said walked up to the door, like crapped on the door. Thought that the door was where you poop, and like just crapped on the door. So that's pretty wild. That was a story I didn't expect. I don't know what I'm going to get into. $7-Eleven. Let's see. Could use a drink. Could use a drink. And get through here. That's my water. Got water. Need any snacks? You could buy hard liquor in here too. Pretty. Chai ginger. Sweet.
พี่คงไล่เงินให้แล้วไงแล้วก็ไม่ใช่ใส่เงินรอใส่เงินของพรุ่งนี้แล้วก็เขียนด้วยเป็นหัวกระดาษอะเป็นหัวกระดาษบอกว่าพี่เห็นพี่นั้นทำยังไปเปิดดูแล้วมาท่านเซ็นไปเปิดดูแล้วเซ็นให้โอ้ก็ตื่นให้น้องอยู่ไงไม่มีคนให้น้องอยู่
Coffee cup. Alright. A little side quest for a 7-baht bottle of water. Got these little food places too. It's not that cheap though. $4 or $5 for a bowl. Get some pork belly. 60 baht. That's a good deal. $1, $2 per plate, 70 baht. Good deal, good deal. Oh, I got a walk sign, but it doesn't mean you won't get run over. See, here we go. I'm good. I'm good. Made it up to the next BTS stop, Hong Lo. I'm just gonna keep walking. I like walking. It's 11:02 now. Little night walks. At a nice casual pace. Stick my camera on my chest here, see if that works. That works. So it puts, there we go. Lean it forward just a little. Language school. I could just hop on a train and shoot on down the road if I wanted to. But some of the more interesting things you see is when you're out walking. I didn't bring my mount either, so the camera just kind of wedged in between my body and my sling bag. Might get some more food. I had a burger at the Iron Balls bar. It was like $12. It was tasty, but it was kind of small. And that's pretty much all I ate. Not much to see between Hong Lo and what's the next stop? The next stop, Hong Kong. Might be one more stop in between. Forget. Plone Chit. Where's Plone Chit? Not quite learned all the BTS stops yet. Oh, I'm getting a little tired too. Last night I partied hard, so kind of spoiled myself for New Year's Eve. I've only had like 3 drinks tonight. Not buzzing. The drinks were expensive too at that Iron Balls place. They're probably $10 to $15 for like cocktails. And the beers were about $5 or $6. little rich for my blood. But I stayed there for 3 hours.